Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out audio description and tours on the National Park Service application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should click on the Find a Park button and then click on this more icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on the second option, which is audio description and tours. So click on this button down below. As you scroll down you can find all of the parks. Click on the relevant one that you want to check out, and here you can find a bunch of options, indoor exhibits. Tap on OK to allow the app to connect to your Bluetooth, and here you have a bunch of visitor centers. Here you have orientation, globe, nation, California state, and so on within these categories, so that you will be able to listen to them while or once you have connected to Bluetooth. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.